Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Cigna's real estate finance nearly tripled its third quarter profit, with the biggest boost coming from its Lakespan Industrial Park development. Net profit rose to $444.3 million, up from $151.7 million in the corresponding quarter last year. The increase from the Lakespan project recorded an $86.9 million fair value gain after construction got underway. The project had to be revalued under accounting rules, resulting in a one-time gain that boosted the company's earnings. Cigna's group co-founder and chief investment officer, Jason Morris, explained during its recent earnings call on Thursday.
Because of the construction being started, the value would have increased. And so there's a one-time recognition of that value, which is carried through the income statement. So going forward, this value won't change until we're actually exiting at the end of the project. So there won't be any more fair value gains coming through due to the change in the accounting treatment for Lakespan. So I want to highlight that.
The revaluation helped push total investment income to $675.5 million, up from $380.5 million a year ago. The company is also preparing to partially exit its fully completed One Belmont commercial development, allowing investors to begin monetizing the project. Once One Belmont and Lakespan are further advanced, Cigna expects to pursue additional investment opportunities. Shareholders, however, will have to wait a little longer for another dividend. The company is holding on to cash while it executes its planned exit strategies.
We're not in a position to do that at the current moment, simply because our exits are a bit behind. So once we catch up on that, then we'll be in a better position to have the cash to deploy into dividends versus redeploying the cash into projects that we now have that actually need the cash.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett. Thanks for watching.